Today, we're going to be installing a Catback exhaust system on a 99 Grand Cherokee Laredo. 4.4 liter straight six. You see the stock little piece of shit. Look at that. Shitty. Give you no power. Restrictive. Real restrictive.
This is how we fabricate.
And we're going to put this new Catback system on. Look at it. Fabricated for a 350. Small block Chevy, as you can see. Go ahead and slap that baby on. It's going to take a couple minutes. Let's get it on there.
Yeah, I think it's on there good.
Is that it? Is that it? It's installed? What is that? 15, 20 horsepower?
I think about 22.
That's fucking clean, man.
Probably about 22. Let's see how it sounds.
Yeah, let's check this fucking exhaust note.
Look at that.
You hear the rumble? Oh. Yeah, that's aggressive. That's aggressive. It's putting down 350 to the wheels. He just got new tires. You know, this motherfucker wasn't locking up. It was just spinning. Well, yeah, that's the install on the Chevy 350 small block Catback intake. Catback exhaust. All right.